What's up? We're gonna get a mixed audience today, I think, over from TikTok. Good morning, Josh. We're having a very funny technical error over here. I can only play Roblox on my big TV. Oh my lord. But hey, maybe it's a sign. All right. So let's pull up LMFA. That seems to be hot this morning. Ironically, yeah, I can't get anything but Roblox on my TV. And so LMFAO happens to be the hottest stock. All right, let's check core for any follow through. No follow through on core. Let's check TSRI for follow through. No follow through on TSRI. All right, so we'll take that off. Check and follow through on OPAD. Nay on that. And net. Net, I just got to keep watching. It's insane. LAC has been lacking follow through. I'm going to keep that up so we can just keep watching it. AFRM. Hey, good morning, everybody. All right, AFRM. No, that one's not going to probably follow through today. GMBL. Nay on that. In mode. It has a small chance, but yeah, I'll keep it on the radar. It has a small chance. Any could follow through, yes. We'd be looking for it to break yesterday's high. Be big. You have a strong vibe. I know, man. Or this is just the funniest error ever. Everyone, be serious. Be big. Be big could follow through today. Be big's looking good. Plug, no. Nay. Cancellation, no. GRVI, God, no. Boy, I hope you guys were able to short that. RLX. Wouldn't that be something? Nope, no on RLX. Can I look at LAC? I have LAC up. Yeah, it's not following through. So we'll see how it goes today. OCGN. OCGN. Yep, that could follow through. Jasper. No. Jasper's dead, baby. Jasper's dead. Inbox or whatever it is, Nebrix. That could follow through today. All right. SGH definitely could follow through. Amplitude. Yes, that could follow through. We'll be watching it. And Moderna could have some action today. All right. And then on the pre-market radar, we also got Sinoa, SNOA. Am I bullish on Apple today? For today, maybe just for today. SNOA, okay, that looks good. ABVC. There we go. And CLPS. Or is that a Z? Okay, S. All right. And TMC. We got to be watching all these. Also, looks like CBO on lighter volume and AVDL. Let me see. CBO. AVDL. Okay. And then further down the list, we've got AIRI and BTBT. All right. Now, let me label these up for you guys. Black, net, CBO. Why is that not? Oh, CBD is what it is. Okay. ABVC, Sanoa, LMFA. That's the hottest one this morning. LMFA. That's the one with the highest gain. INMD. Any. Thanks for the likes, everybody. Be big. EMC. LPS. We got this Roblox stuck in the background on my screen because we just had a power outage. And I can't get it to switch. So we're just gonna roll with it. Hope you like Roblox. BTBT, OCGN, AI, RI, and Amazon. So Amazon, Tesla, and Apple all up this morning. Let's talk about the market for a second. So the market trended up in after hours nicely and in pre-market all morning. And overall, it's been following this 200 moving average on the 2-minute chart for days now. Just perfect trajectory. So I expect that it'll probably continue on that trajectory. And VIX way down to 16 now. It even hit 1624 in pre-market. That's absolutely outstanding. Gold trended down overnight about 30 points, $30. Pretty serious withdrawal out of gold in the middle of the night, throughout the night. Seems like perhaps hedgies are getting ready to inject that into the market today before it's too late. They probably, like me, understand that if SPY can get over 445 today, that is critical. And we are at 444.54. So if we can close above 445 today, that is a serious reversal out of this whole bear market that we were in the last month. This could be the moment. Rates, they are trending up a little bit, so that may cause some resistance in tech, in growth stocks primarily. Oil is up still and hanging around $82 a barrel. And I have to say, in pre-market, looking at the different sectors, the ones that I find the hottest are financials, XLF, and energy, XLE. Those two sectors. And of course, we have had a nice little rally in Bitcoin and some cryptos last night. So overall, this is going to be a pretty hot opening, I think. We've got 23 minutes until the open. And this is what we have on our radar. LMFA. If LMFA breaks 5.5, and it is almost there, it's at 532. If it breaks 5.5, you can get in the pre-market for 65 cents of risk. You've got Fubo. All right. Sanoa is failing and breaking down. You see, you can really see that pretty clearly. It's done so twice in a major manner this morning, so it may not make it. If you want to short it, I would take it underneath the break of 720. So you can write that on a piece of paper if you like. 720 breakdown on Sanoa could be a good short. ABVC, we'll be looking for it to break the full level of 344. If it does, we can get in for 50 cents of risk. So be writing these down. TMC, if that breaks 420, we'll be looking to get in for 25 cents of risk. TMC, 420, 25 cents of risk. Be big. Let me get the grander picture here. Be big, we'll be looking for it to break over yesterday's high, 8.5. 8.5, then you can get in for 40 cents of risk. Be big, 40 cents of risk if it breaks 8.5 level. CLPS, it's almost fully faded now. If it gets above 380, we'll be interested again. But CLPS probably fading completely today. AIRI coming right up right now to break 126 pre-market level right now. for 15 cents of risk. If you want AIRI, you might do well. You could maybe make 3R on that all the way up to yesterday's high. And that's like right now, 125, 126. If you can break that, you can get in for 15 cents of risk. AIRI. OCGN. What do we need to happen on OCGN? We need it to break yesterday's high. Otherwise, it's not going to move enough for us to have the momentum to make some good money. So yesterday's high was 10.6. OCGN, we're looking for it to break 10.6. Then we'll be interested. We don't know the risk yet. We'll see when it starts to get up there. BTBT. Let me take a look at that on the daily chart. BTBT is going sideways in a bit of a congestion zone. And we would really need to see it break 12 BTBT, 12 to be interested. And when it does, we'll figure out a risk when we get there. All right, INI. What's the situation on INI? Oh, we've got something else playing now. Something Halloween. Is it a whole Roblox Halloween? It is. So with INI, we're hoping to break yesterday's high. Okay, yesterday's high level to break is, yeah, because it's right out of view. There we go. 8.7 on INI. 8.7 is where INI catches on fire, blows up, does incredible. If it can't hit that level, then it doesn't have the energy for us. INMD. Yeah, I'll take a look at Microsoft in a second, Neil. INMD, it's going to need to break yesterday's high of 88.25. If so, you'll probably end up getting in for about $3 a risk, but we'll see when we get there. And then how about this AVDL? Let's see. Hey, everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio if you'd like to continue trading with us in our trading community this morning. Of over 400 members. Just click the link in my bio. Got to come over to my bio. AVDL. Wow, all the way back up to where it rug pulled everybody yesterday. That's not too nice. But yeah, if AVDL can break 1080, we'll be interested. And it could do that, AVDL. So let's keep an eye on that. Now, what's up with Moderna? Let's take a look at that right now. AT&T, so A, LMFA. Yeah, we're watching LMFA. Keep your eyes on AIRI. Remember that if it breaks 125 to 126, you can get in for 15 cents of risk. And it's right about there. Moderna, interesting. So Moderna could run today all the way up to 375. Moderna could potentially have a big run today. So keep your eyes on that. If at the open it breaks pre-market high, which was 343, I'd say that's the sign the momentum is happening. That would be the signal you'd be looking for. All right, I'm going to start up my high-speed trading setup now. Market is looking good. Market will be opening in 17 minutes. All right. We have 16 minutes until the open. Hey, everybody on TikTok, how's it going? Click like if you're enjoying the stream. And if you can spare any diamonds or galaxies or disco balls, send them over. That will help boost our weekly rating. Okay, putting LMFA on screen. This is the one with the highest volume this morning, LMFA. So we're going to watch that a little bit more closely. And others that look like they're good potential, well, AIRI. So let's watch both of those on the high-speed setup here. We're doing some kind of a Halloween Roblox in the background there. All right, let's refresh. We've got 14 minutes until the open. Let's refresh the Market Chameleon, see if anything else has popped up. There's other stocks that are popular that are moving in a lot of volume, but they're down, or they're the same. They're the same. But what we go after is what's hot and up and popping, hot and popping. So don't get sucked into something like CEI, which today is not likely to go up at all. Sanoa ABVC, we've got it up. LMFA at the top of the list. AIRI in fourth place. TMC, CLPS, INI, BTBT. And way down at the bottom with just a little 3% gain is Mara. But also CBD. This is the one I was trying to get up over here. CBD. It actually looks pretty good. Let's take a look at that. Mara and Riot. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. CBD. Label that up for you guys. So if CBD breaks 6, you can get in for 30 cents of risk. CBD looking interesting. And it is a Brazilian, some Brazilian company. CBD. No, that might not be the right one. Hold on. Sometimes TradingView pulls up the wrong ticker. It could be any of these, but I don't know. Perhaps that's what it is. All right, we've got 12 minutes to the open. We are targeting LMFA and AIRI, which are holding the most momentum. TMC has some potential also. I put that in like third place. And then, INI, Moderna. We've got a lot of interesting stuff going on. I'll let you know when Tesla breaks out. Apple. Amazon's already spiking the top of its range there. So Amazon's showing some promise. But again, like I said, rates are trending up this morning. And financials, XLF, are also trending up and very strongly. And so that's not necessarily good for tech. When banks go way, way up, where are they going to be getting all that revenue, right? So when banks go way up, that's not necessarily the greatest sign for growth. But we are reflating the economy and getting people back to work, and we're having inflation coming in front of us here, so that's only natural. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community of over 400 members. Live trading, the daily morning session, just like this, every day, starting right at the opening bell. Riot, nice move off BTC pop. Yes. Again, one of the reasons. Okay, what about EAR? What's the level and risk on LMFA? Yeah, I already mentioned it. You're going to be looking for a break of 5.5 for 65 cents of risk. If anybody can help a person out when they ask for that, that would get everybody nice and on the same level. So Lishi was asking, what are we trading this morning? Or what's the risk on LMFA? And if somebody else has written all these down, just help Lishi out, especially if it's a member all right, yeah. And if it's a new member, I know you want to what do they call that when you go to when you just enter college or whatever, and you have to go through a ritual with your dorm? They call that. Yeah, hazing. Oh my God. Ooh, my wife made some fresh squeezed blood orange or some shit here, and man, it tastes about as bad as it looks. We got blood orange juice this morning to go along with our Halloween Roblox in the background. Oh, oh, that's bitter. Kind of has an irony flavor to it. I'm just kidding. But no, it is quite bitter. But and my God, is that red? When should you exit Sanoa? Now, 720 is when we should be shorting Sanoa. SNOA. If SNOA hits 720, it is likely a short. Oh, Pablo says, Evan, thank you for the epic class last night. We had VIP class for members last night. 3-hour incredible class covering selling naked options. Your neurons are almost fully recovered. Oh, nice. After a nice neuron blasting like last night, it's so easy to just go get in the hammock and fall asleep, isn't it? You said you missed the class? Okay, well, it's been posted. Members can watch prior classes. Most of them. Most of the prior classes are posted. It's there in Masterclass Archives. Your membership includes being able to view all prior classes if they're in there. Hey, everybody on TikTok, give me a bunch of gamer style likes, machine gun likes. Brrr, let's see if we can boost this right now. Let's just do it for 1 minute. Let's see if we can boost this over 10,000. We have 9 minutes to the market open. And see if you go like this, like this, then we can easily get that over 10,000 all together if you all do it at the same time. Just be touching the screen right now. Just here, I'll do it right to the camera. What are we up to right now? 7.6 thousand, 7.7, 7.9, 8.1, 8.3, 8.5. See, I'm telling you, this is a piece of cake. All you got to do is contribute a little bit. And especially if you're a communist, if you're a socialist asshole, then definitely do this because you're supposed to, because that's what everybody tells you to do. And you're supposed to do what everybody tells you to do because you're a socialist. All right, so do that. Make sure go, 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 go. All right, there we go. We did it. We broke 10,000. I did apparently a couple hundred. Boy, we're at 15.8 thousand likes. 16. All right, thank you. We did it. You just lost me. Good, excellent. But I hope you gave me some likes before you left. Oh gosh, we got stuck on Roblox background here because of a power outage in my house. The TV comes back on, it's playing Roblox on it, and I can't connect to it, and I can't get my CNBC Live. So we're having a happy Roblox morning here. All right, now in 6 minutes, the market opens. We're watching LMFA and AIRE. And when the market opens, we'll be live trading in our member community. If you want to join, you got to click the link in my bio. Okay. All right. Isn't that a sign? I don't know. Maybe, let's keep an eye on Roblox. All right. I'll keep Roblox on the stock in the corner here. But I don't think so. Be funny. Some big news comes on today. All right, AIRA is a little barcodey. So if you're not sure what that means, that is when the bid and the asks are so thick that it's just oscillating back and forth by pennies, and it creates this kind of funky looking barcode looking pattern on the stock. So I don't think AIRI is going to have the float we're looking for it to really push today. So I think the float's too high. Well, it says 12 million float. It's possible. Let's see what happens at the market open. 125 is what we're looking for on the breakout there. 125. Prague, I don't think, is Prague going today? I don't think so. I think Prague's off our radar. No, there's no momentum going on Prague. Refresh. And what do we got? LMFA, SNOA, ABVC, AIRI, TMC, CLPS, INI, BTBT, and MARA fell off the radar now. Those are the tops, and LMFA, SNO, CBD. And so that's it. We're on it. We're on the ball. We are watching what's going to be hot. Gee, you guys, thanks so much for all the likes. You got us all the way up to 20,000. Brianne says, check out Jasper. Jasper is up pre-market. It's not on any of the lists here, but all right, let's check it out. Jasper's way up. Yep. It's probably because it just started happening. Let's put that in place of Sanoa, and we'll move. Let's see. Let me get Roblox out of here. We need to get on top of Jasper, apparently. JSPR. Get it up on high speed right now. Whoa! Huge pop just a few minutes ago from 12 all the way to 18. We have a change in plans here. Jasper is going to be the hot stock this morning. JSPR. Go ahead and get in it now. I mean, there's no reason why not to already jump on the train. I would put something like $2 a risk on the trade. JSPR. There it goes. We've got 3 minutes until the open, and Jasper just skyrocketed from 12 to 18. My God, I hope somebody got some of that. I know some of you are probably in that. All right, so once it pulls back a little bit, yeah, here we go. So if we break 18 on Jasper, you can get in for 50 cents of risk. That's awesome. If we break 18, 50 cents of risk on Jasper. If you want to get in already, I would put $2 of risk on that. But if you want to wait for confirmation, then you were looking at a break of 18. All right, we've got 3 minutes until the market opens. We'll be trading in our live trading community of over 400 members. Make sure you click the link in my bio in order to continue live trading with us once the market opens. Yeah, we're watching OCGN. The market's going to open here in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So this is the momentum we're waiting for. Once those floodgates open, we're going to be able to see which stocks pop and which stocks drop. And we'll be able to get into the ones that are moving. Could be Jasper. Most certainly we're going to get probably entrance on Jasper. Whether or not we're going to be able to grab it running, we shall see. Yeah, no, Mike. Yeah, you don't need to pull that up. What is that? Oh yeah, that's the option I had on net, which I already got out of, and I just want to see if it does any better. My morbid curiosity. All right, 1 minute and 49 seconds until the open. 1 minute 40 seconds. Jasper is just hanging around 750. That's good. The target exit on Jasper, we'll be taking profits every 50-cent level, a 5% to 20% profit every 50-cent level. Once the market opens in 1 minute and 20 seconds, we'll continue trading in our live day trading community of over 400 members. Just click the link in my bio in order to come continue with us in our Zoom. Headquartered in Florida. Okay, well, we don't give a shit methods. We're just day trading. Oh, I see. Is Jasper? Yeah. All right. Well, let's make some money, and you can find out who else also doesn't like to buy stocks that trade in Florida later. Right? All right. Jasper, if it breaks 18, you can get in for about 75 cents of risk now. Buy calls till next week. What do I think? We'll take a look at how this day goes first. Why do that now? Let's figure out later. All right, 20 seconds until the market opens. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, watch Jasper. I have a feeling that's really going to happen. Here we go. It's going to break 18 right there. There it is. 18. What the hell is going on? I didn't press any buttons. My computer is making sounds like it's buying shit. What just happened? That was really strange. Oh, okay. I know what that is. I changed the sound for breakouts. Okay. I'm going to have to change that back. All right. Jasper is pulling back to 1665. If you got in for 75 cents of risk, you already need to cut. If you got in for $2 of risk, you're still good. LMFA, we're waiting for it to come back up to the breakout level. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio in order to come join us live day trading. Link in my bio. Link in my bio. We're cutting the live stream now, the free live stream, the public live stream, and now it's a members only trading. Thank you very much for tuning in this morning. All right, there goes Jasper. Underneath the 1850 level, you're taking 20% profits. Around 1840 it hit. You're welcome. All right, you guys, you know what to do if you're out there. Click the link in my bio.